My name is Leon George Augustus Thomas. I'm the mayoral candidate for the Portmore municipality. I want to big up the ministers fraternal, the business people, the community leaders of the various citizen associations, the youth groups across the municipality, and the residents of all communities in Portmore. My achievements in my division speak for itself. I have built a municipal park in Greater Portmore 2 East and also road refurbishing throughout my division. Our achievements also spread right across the various communities, such as road patching, cleaning of drain, and maintaining community open space. I have also given contribution towards the educational institutions in my division. I work closely with all the communities to achieve their goals. Since the death of former Mayor George Lee, I assumed the role as the acting mayor of the municipality. I have started my work where I put in the sidewalks along the Brayton Main Road, widen the intersections in Portmore so that we can have free traffic flow in the municipality. We have partnered with the German government where we realized the German government have gave us solar panel at the Art Academy where we are now seeing over $1.4 million per year per saving. The twinning with both institutions at this time are bearing fruit, where we have further discussion and we are in partnership with them for them to set up a solar panel plant in the municipality. We have already started training for our youngsters in Portmore. I want to also add that 3,000 square footage of BPO buildings will be built in Portmore, where over 3,000 youngsters also will be getting employment. And I continue to have discussion with various investors for them to now come to Portmore to do business. One of the main focus is to reduce unemployment in Portmore. Vote for me, Leon George Augustus Thomas, and November 28th, the People's National Party, with the people, for the people.